Our zero gauge went in there with no problems. Honestly, I feel our zero gauge looks better than theirs. Ours is the braided stuff. Look at that red. Kind of untidy. Fernando decided to use the Stinger X fuse holder because of its compact design. He was able to retain all the covers. Now we can get the floor back on top of it. The bolts went into place. We did have to remove the plastic underneath here to get the bolt in there. But otherwise the plan worked rather well.
That thickness in the voice, like you don't like 500, I don't like 250 to 315.
Yeah.
So 500 stayed the same, but the 250 to 315 for me is what gives it that sound like this. Yeah. So that's what I use to bring that chestiness out of it in order to bring it down.
As Fernando takes pictures of the enclosure, it's finally here and done. The Ultimos are in. This is the bottom of the box. We had the woofer countersunk in. The port is super long and it actually starts here on what would be the top, wraps around and comes out at the bottom. This is the rear of the car. It's 3-tone, carpet, light vinyl, dark vinyl. We'll get it into the car and we'll take a look and see how it sounds. So the carpet matches the carpet, the dark matches the dark. This is a shade off, we know that. It was almost impossible, but this is closer in real life than it is in the video. Obviously it's showing it a little bit different. It's just because of the textures and whatnot. And then this can come open like this. We can still get to the amplifiers. So now with the box finally in, we can hop into the car, take a final listen. The speakers are nice and broken in because he's actually had it for 3 weeks? Brett?
Yeah.
3 weeks? You've had it for about 3 weeks? Yeah. So we'll finally get to hear it again, and then we'll get to hear it with these new subwoofers, which will probably take a little bit longer to break in. You excited?
Super excited.
How you liking it so far?
Love it.
Yeah, his wife hasn't been able to find him on a couple nights because he's been chilling in the garage, taking advantage of that hybrid. Just, you know, playing it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Much better.
Alright. So we're talking about the difference between this and the Raptor, the Audison build that we did.
That's right.
Yeah, I mean, to be fair, this is
a great system.
This is way different stuff.
Yeah.
So, I mean, that truck sounds awesome. So
that was great.
You know,
this is a different level.
You doubled this. So, I mean, this is almost
good.
double what you did for that.
Yes,
so
this is good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good
I'm
job, guys.
still having a nightmare about those tweeters in the dash. I want you to know that.
I had to make you sweat a little.
Oh, I sweat a lot. What are you kidding me?
I couldn't make it easy.
Oh my gosh.
Come on.
Oh no, that was it.
Good
Awesome.
stuff. Good job, guys.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Well, guys, that's it for the Porsche build. We hope you enjoyed this. Fernando, go for it.
On to the next one, guys.
You guys have a great day as always. See you later next time. Bye. All right, so side note, it's been about an hour. We've been chilling out in the car, listening to a bunch of songs. Wow, man, it sounds fabulous. Sounds fabulous. Way to go. Good job, Fernando.
I know.